Good early Friday morning, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com, and stream weather videos. We're going to be talking about what's going on over the next few days. We have a snow situation going to likely set up for the Roanoke Valley up through DC and further north, so it's going to be interesting. We'll continue on here. This is the actual GFS model. We're off the 0Z. And you'll see when this picks up what's going to happen with this front. We're going to get a low pressure coming sliding along into the Carolinas and then up the coast. What that allow the snow push across the region, as you see here, if I click real close here, 4, 5 inches, 6 inches right near the Roanoke area, and like I said, you go further south into Franklin County, you drop down to 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and you get up here in the Shenandoah Valley, you get a little more precipitation of DC, looking at a nice 4 to 5 inches, and then you head up further north, 2 to 3 inches of snow will be what we are seeing. And when we really look close, you can see 5, 6 inches. Snowfall here in DC, higher amounts down here in the Roanoke Valley. We're talking about anywhere from 6 to maybe 10 inches of snow along the east of the Blue Ridge Mountains. Some heavy snow along the coastline, New Jersey, and then here again in Rhode Island, Massachusetts, that area. Philadelphia, not so much snow, but they got the last time, so you guys could use a little bit of a break. So with that being said, we need to watch for more snowfall here in the Mid-Atlantic states as the computer models starting to come together to show a consensus of a decent plowable snow. Meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you again soon.